Hi students, this is Viswanath, chemistry faculty for NEET and IIT exams. In last class, we started negative inductive effect, that means minus I effect. Now see the continuation. Decreasing order of plus I groups. So some groups exhibit positive inductive effect. For them, see the decreasing order. CH2 minus greater than NH minus greater than O minus greater than CO minus greater than COO minus greater than CH3 thrice C greater than CH3 twice CH greater than CH3 CH2 greater than CH3 greater than D greater than hydrogen. Okay, so this is the decreasing order of plus I groups. All these groups exhibit plus I effect. CH2 minus, it has more plus I effect than this one, it has more than this one. In this way, say this, more alkyl groups are there, plus I effect is more. Less alkyl groups are there, plus I effect is less. Now come to this one, deuterium and hydrogen. D means deuterium, H means hydrogen. So between these two, deuterium having more plus I effect than hydrogen. See this, a question related to this one. The question is CH bond is longer than CT bond. CH bond is longer than CT bond. Why? So CH bond is longer than CT bond. Why? This is the question. Here T means tritium, isotope of hydrogen. So CH bond, its bond length is more than this one. What is the reason for this? Here tritium mass is more than hydrogen. As mass of the atom is increases, then vibrational coefficient is less. Vibrational coefficient is less. Vibrational coefficient means to this carbon atom, hydrogen vibrates along its bond length. Here also tritium atom vibrates along the bond. But here atomic mass, here mass of the atom is less, so it can vibrate more than this one. Here mass is more, so it cannot vibrate as hydrogen. That's why this tritium atom is more closer to the carbon. That means strong overlap is there between carbon and tritium. So bond length is less. For this, bond length is more. If we compare the bond strength order, bond strength means this one. See this bond strength order. CT bond having more bond strength than CD than CH. Okay, so this is the reason. Vibrational coefficient for this less, that's why strong overlapping is there. Due to that strong overlapping, bond length decreases and bond strength is increasing. Next, so plus I effect order, if we see plus I effect order, if we see, then CT3 greater than CD3 greater than CH3 isotopes. Okay, next, decreasing order of minus I effect. Decreasing order of minus I effect. Say this order. NF3 plus, it exhibits minus I effect greater than NR3 plus greater than NH3 plus greater than NHR2 plus greater than NHR2 plus greater than NH2R plus NH2R plus greater than NO2 greater than Cn greater than C double bond O greater than COOH greater than fluorine greater than chlorine greater than bromine greater than iodine greater than OR greater than OH greater than NH2 greater than C triple bond CH greater than C6H5 greater than CH double bond CH2 greater than hydrogen. So this is the decreasing order for various minus I groups, negative inductive affecting groups. See this, NF3 plus greater than NR3 plus greater than NH3 plus greater than NHR2 plus greater than NH2R plus greater than NO2 greater than Cn greater than C double bond O. This is keto functional group, carboxylic acid functional group. These are halogens, alkoxy. OR alcohol, amine, triple bond, phenyl, alkene, double bond, and hydrogen. So compared to hydrogen, we can decide this is minus I effect and plus I effect. With respect to hydrogen, which atom or group having more electronegativity, it exhibits minus I effect, and which atom having less electronegativity than hydrogen, it exhibits plus I effect. Now see the question related to these minus I groups. Now question is between OH comma OR, which has more minus I effect and why? Between OH and OR, which has more minus I effect and why? So what is the reason and which one having more negative inductive effect? See this, in OR group, carbon atom attached to the oxygen. For example, take this one, CH3. This bonding electron pair is somewhat attracted by the carbon, but in case of OH, say this, hydrogen attached to oxygen, carbon attached to oxygen. Between carbon and hydrogen, carbon is more electronegative than hydrogen. That's why this bonding electron slightly attracted by this carbon, but here no that type of attraction. That's why this group oxygen, in this group oxygen can attract this bonding electron pair from the remaining carbon chain towards itself more. That means it exhibits more minus I effect than this group. Listen once again. OR means alkyl group attached to oxygen. Now we consider CH3. In place of R, if we consider CH3, so this CH3 attached to this oxygen, in OH group hydrogen attached to oxygen. From this CH3, carbon attached to oxygen, hydrogen attached to oxygen. Between carbon and hydrogen, carbon electronegativity is more, so it can attract this bonding electron pair slightly towards it. But in this case, the type of attraction by the hydrogen is not observed. Then what happens? This oxygen atom can attract the bonding electron pair from the remaining carbon chain remaining carbon chain towards itself, then in this case, between these two groups, this oxygen attract a shared pair of electrons more towards itself than this oxygen. That means this alkoxy group having more minus I effect than OH group. Okay. In the same manner, we can observe NH3 plus and NR3 plus. NR3, here also 3 alkyl groups attached to the nitrogen, and NH3 plus means 3 hydrogen atoms attached to the nitrogen. Here also same reason we can observe carbon attracts this bonding electron pair towards itself slightly, here also, but in this case hydrogen cannot attract like that. So this nitrogen atom can pull the shared pair of electrons from the remaining carbon chain. Here less tendency to pull the shared pair of electrons from the carbon chain compared to this one. So here also NR3 plus having more minus I effect than NH3. Okay. Now for minus I effect we can observe other things also. Oxygen O minus less than oxygen less than O plus. This is minus I order. This is minus I order. So it has positive charge means it wants to pull the electrons from attached carbon chain. It has more minus I effect than neutral oxygen atom than O minus. Okay. So this is the negative inductive effect. Next one is applications of inductive effect. Say this, applications. First one is stability of carbocation. Carbocation means carbon atom having positive charge, that is called carbocation. This carbocation, carbon atom having positive charge in the given species, that is called carbocation. In this carbocation, positively charged carbon atom having 7 valency electrons, it needs one more electron to get octet configuration. To get octet configuration, this carbon atom needs one more electron. So any electron releasing groups attached to this, then its stability increases. More number of alkyl groups attached to the positively charged carbon atom, then this positive charge is dispersed over that alkyl groups. Say this, for example, if we take this one, 3 alkyl groups attached to positively charged carbon, here 2 alkyl groups in this way, and here 1 alkyl group, here no alkyl group. Say this, first one 3 alkyl groups, second one 2 alkyl groups, third one 1 alkyl group, fourth one no alkyl group is attached. So in this case, this alkyl group increases electron density to this carbon, this one also. So it needs electrons. This electron density is provided by attached alkyl groups. Here less tendency for the providing of electron density, because in this only 2 alkyl groups are attached. In the third one, very less tendency than 1 and 2, because here only 1 alkyl group is attached. Here no that type of tendency we can observe, because no alkyl group is attached to this positively charged carbon atom. More alkyl groups are present, this positive charge is dispersed. That means the stability of carbocation is increased. More number of alkyl groups, then stability, more number of alkyl groups, then stability increases. So what is the stability order? 3 degree greater than 2 degree greater than primary greater than methyl. This is 3 degree. Tertiary carbocation, secondary carbocation, primary carbocation. This is methyl carbocation. Tertiary, secondary, primary, methyl. So this is the order, stability order. Tertiary carbocation greater than, secondary carbocation greater than, primary carbocation greater than, methyl carbocation. So this is stability order of carbocations. Suppose electron withdrawing groups are attached to the positively charged carbon atom, then stability decreases because carbocation means carbon atom having positive charge. It has electron deficiency condition. Electron withdrawing groups are attached. Then electron density is further decreased and causes destabilization. So simply we can remember plus I groups increases stability of carbocations. Next, minus I groups decreases stability of carbocations. So plus I groups increases stability of carbocations, minus I groups decreases stability of carbocations. Minus I groups means electron withdrawing groups, plus I groups means electron releasing groups. Okay students, okay, we'll meet you in the next class.